If you have a dog that sheds and his hair gets embedded deep in the carpet, then you know how hard it is to remove. This is my dog Goose, and he sheds a lot. Goose has short, stiff hair that gets embedded deep in the carpet fibers. It's almost like Velcro locking into the carpet. Before I bought this vacuum, I had to use a carpet rake to pull the dog hair out of the carpet. Look at this. This came out of just one small section of carpet. If you have a dog like Goose that sheds, you probably see the same thing in your own house. And after raking, I still had to vacuum the hairballs with a shop vac, so cleaning was a two-step process. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Lift solves this problem. And honestly, it really lives up to its name, Pet Hair Eraser. It does a great job removing embedded pet hair, and I'll prove it with a quick test. I'm going to move to a different section of the carpet that also has embedded goose hair. And just to be sure, I'll rake a small portion of the carpet so you can see the hair coming up. Now using the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, I'm going to vacuum this whole section. When you're dealing with stubborn pet hair from a dog like Goose, you usually need to make a few extra passes compared to normal cleaning. Once I finish vacuuming, I'll thoroughly rake the carpet again. If there's any dog hair still embedded in the carpet, the rake will absolutely pick it up. As you can see, there's not one speck of hair coming up. That shows that the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser got every bit of the embedded pet hair out of the carpet. Check out all the dog hair from our tiny 5-foot by 3-foot test section. Gross. It's oily and smelly. Luckily, Bissell makes it a breeze to empty the dirt tank. No more dealing with rakes and gross hairballs or shop vacs. That whole two-step cleaning process is gone. One of the reasons I bought this vacuum was for the motorized Turbo Brush hand tool. Thanks, Goose. The Turbo Brush uses powerful spinning rubber fins that dig into the carpet and pull embedded hair out. Goose spends a lot of time on these stairs and sleeps on the top landing, so his hair gets embedded into all the stairs. Because the stairwell is narrow, as you can see here, it's really hard to use a regular vacuum. Before I purchased the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, again, I had to rake each stair. And as you can see, this takes a lot of elbow grease. And once again, we have another gross hairball. Which takes us to the second step, wrestling with the shop vac up and down the stairs, chasing those nasty hairballs. Oops, I almost tripped. Careful, old man, and watch your back. This all goes away with the Bissell Turbo Brush hand tool and the LED crevice tool. Let's prove the process once again. First, I'm going to rake this section so you can see how much hair is actually embedded in here. Now, let's hit it with the Turbo Brush. No elbow grease needed. I'm just letting the spinning brushes do the work. You can see it's pulling almost everything out, except for the corners. That's where the crevice tool comes in. The LED light really helps you see what you're missing. All right, let's do the rake test again. And just like that, no more embedded hair. That looks so much better. I also use the Turbo Brush in my truck after Goose rides with me. I like that I can detach the motor unit from the main vacuum and easily clean inside the truck. Goose hair gets embedded deep in the carpet and seats. And honestly, the only way I used to get it out was with a rake. But the Bissell motorized Turbo Brush lifts it out really well. You can really see all the embedded hair here thanks to the black carpet. And when I say embedded, I mean those short, stiff hairs stick in there like Velcro. Now, I'm not going to lie, with this type of hair, it does take a few extra passes. But it's still way faster, easier, and more effective than raking and dragging out the shop vac. Here's the before and after. Now for the seats. Hair gets trapped differently here. Those tiny holes in the fabric let the hair work its way down into the fibers, and the rake couldn't get it out at all. The Turbo Brush pulls it out easily, and because of the soft rubber fins, it doesn't damage the seat's material. This is where the LED crevice tool really helps. It's perfect for cleaning that tight gap between the seat and the backrest. I also use the crevice tool on the carpet for those hard to reach edges. And just like that, Goose hair-free back seat. Huge difference. Hard floors are a totally different challenge. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser actually does a great job here too. Notice the hand trigger at the top that lets me switch to hard floor mode. Now I've got white marble floors, and honestly, Goose hair blends in so well I can barely see it. It looks clean, but it's definitely not. And that's where the LED lights on the front of the vacuum make a huge difference. They reveal the hair that you normally wouldn't see. And what's really satisfying is you can actually watch it disappear as you pass over it. Here I've mounted a GoPro directly on the vacuum so you can see exactly what I'm seeing. With the lights on, you can clearly spot the hair and confirm it's gone after one pass. Without those lights, I'd honestly be guessing. This is one of those features that seem small, but once you use it, you realize how important it is. Bissell really understands pet hair. I also like how easy it is to clean the Bissell pet hair eraser. Emptying the dirt bin takes all of 2 seconds. The filters come apart easily and you can blow the dust out or rinse them with water. And the HEPA filter comes right out as well. I've been using the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Liftoff for about 6 months now, and I love it. It works really well. If you have a dog like Goose that sheds a lot, I would definitely recommend it. It's clearly designed from the ground up for removing embedded pet hair. For me, it's been totally worth it, especially not having to rake or shop vac anymore. And here's my dog Goose again. Good thing I love this guy, because he sheds a lot.